Meaning of economic.
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 Economic. Economic refers to the study of how resources are allocated and used to produce goods and services that satisfy human needs and wants. It involves analyzing production, distribution, and consumption of these goods and services within a given economy. An economy can be local, national, or global in scope. Studying economic principles helps people understand how money and resources move through society, and how government policies and business decisions can affect these movements. Successful economies aim to maximize productivity and efficiency while minimizing waste and inequality, promoting overall prosperity and well-being.